Experience driving perfection in the 2011 Ford Mustang. This two-door, four-passenger coupe will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. Ford made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Ford prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.